हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपका अपना रिकंस्ट्रक्टिव एंड कॉस्मेटिक गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर नवनीत मगों, और आज मैं आपके साथ बात करूंगा ऑर्गेजम्स के बारे में. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ऑर्गेज्म. सो व्हाट इज एन ऑर्गेज्म? ऑर्गेज्म इज द क्लाइमैक्स ऑफ सेक्स, एंड ए सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स ends up with an orgasm and should end up with an orgasm for a man and woman both. Now बहुत सारे issues आते हैं कई बार, and lot of patients come out to me with orgasmic dysfunction and they say कि हमें orgasm नहीं आ पाता. PRP is nothing but it is a platelet rich plasma which is created out of your own blood. तो इसमें लगभग 2-3-4 ml different shots have different amount of PRP required. PRP create किया जाता है और आपके अपने इंटीमेट एरियाज में डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स पे, जिसमें कि कुछ शॉट्स में क्लैटोरिस हो सकता है, प्लेरिक्लैटोरल एरिया हो सकता है, जी स्पॉट एरिया हो सकता है, ओ स्पॉट एरिया हो सकता है, जो वेस्टिब्यूल है वेजाइना का वहां हो सकता है, और कुछ ना कुछ इधर उधर वेजाइनल वॉल में हो सकता है. सो ऑल दीज एरियाज आर डिफरेंटली सिलेक्टेड and then shots are given, and because of the effect, the regenerative effect of the platelet rich plasma, you have much more blood supply to that area, much more lubrication in that area, and because of this it medically helps you in having a better, easier and a deeper orgasm. There are studies to support that it helps, and what is most interesting is that it has got no side effect because the PRP is made out of your own blood and it has to be injected right away. Now what is important is that you only go to someone who is trained and certified in giving these shots, because these shots have traditionally not been a part of the training program of the residency programs in obstetrics and gynecology, और सेक्सोलॉजी की तो कोई हमारे यहाँ यूनिवर्सिटी ट्रेनिंग होती नहीं है. So you have to go to a reconstructive and cosmetic gynecologist who is trained and certified in giving these Kama Sutra or O shots, and from them they will prepare PRP, fresh PRP out of your blood, and they will inject the shots at the right place for you, and you can have a very, very sizzling intimate life of your own. So reach out to your reconstructive and cosmetic gynecologist today, or reach out to any of the El Sante centers, so that we can help you with having the best orgasms you can ever think of by helping you with a Kama Sutra or an orgasmic shot. Thank you very much. We look forward to seeing you because we care for you.